Kia ora friends, educators, teachers and ukulele players. I'm going to be playing through Lanterns by Birds of Tokyo. I love this song to teach children because it has a wonderful meaning. It talks about lanterns, the light being in people and us, and for us to be the light for others when their lights are dim, and vice versa, that we can go through struggles together. So an awesome key for playing the ukulele, beginners and intermediates: C, A minor, F, D minor and G7. Strum pattern is down, 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 up. And I'm going to play it in a kid-friendly key, so if you would like to sing through this song with your students, feel free to use this recording until you know the chords yourself. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toru, fan. Lately I found when I start to think aloud, there's a longing in the sound, there is more I can be. Darkness I leave for a place I've never seen. It's been calling out to me, this is where I should be. We've never carried days on our own, and now it's up to us to know the weight of being so much more. We will find ourselves on the road. On we march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. As we walk out, without question, without doubt, in the light that we have found, it is finally clear. Our day has come, and we'll stand for who we are. We are ready, we are young, we have nothing to fear. We've never carried days on our own, and now it's up to us to know the weight of being so much more. We will find ourselves on the road. On we march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. We held the light through our faces and realized we were chasing shadows behind, not worth saving. So burn it bright, forever illuminating. On we march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on.